In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Coffee is Love filter on Instagram. So what you need to do to get it is to tap on the little magnifying glass at the bottom to go to the explore page. Once you're here, you want to tap on the search bar and then you just want to search for the account Starbucks. And I'll leave this account linked up in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on it. But then from their main page, you just tap on their filters, which is their little smiley face icon there next to IGTV. And now if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the first one is Coffee is Love. Go ahead and tap on that. And this is what the filter looks like. So you can go ahead and tap on the download button to save it to your Instagram camera for future use, or you can tap the try it button. And this is what the filter would look like. And to change the color, you just tap on the screen and then you can record your video. So that is how you get the Coffee is Love filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.